Unlock your lyrical genius with AI-assisted songwriting. Easily generate personalized lyrics based on your prompts and unleash your creativity. This AI tool will help you to write song lyrics. So this is unbelievable, guys. The development of this kind of AI tools will be danger for the writers in future. So let's start the video. So firstly, you will have to come to this website, soundwriter.com. I have given the link in the description. Click on start writing now. Here they will ask some questions. So you will have to answer all these questions. So here they're asking my name. So I written my name, continue. So now they're asking about title of the song. So I'll give it, continue. So they're asking about mood of the song. So I'll write it, continue. So they're asking what is your song about, continue. They are asking about any words in mind that you'd like to include in the lyrics. You can write it yes or no, or any word you can give it. Generate song. So this is the song, gratitude and blessings. And see the song. Everything is ready. So you can just copy it from here and you can use it anywhere you want. So I hope you like the video. If you like this video, please hit the like button, comment down below and subscribe the channel if you haven't subscribed. Have a good day, all the best.